Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot find country or region in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change country or region in your App Store, but you're facing the issue that you're unable to find country or region options, let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing you have to check some settings to prevent any kind of issue in changing your App Store country region. So you just have to scroll in the control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, or you can also try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app here, go to general here, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, go to language and region, select region, and select your own country or region in which you're living. After selecting your country or region, you have to simply go back from here, go to date and time section, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back and here go to software update and try to update your software. If you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back from here, open your app store, and here just tap on your profile option in the top right, and here tap on your Apple ID. And then you just have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. After that, you'll find a this type interface. You just have to select country or region option from here. And here you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or which one you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here, and then select this continue option here, and then tap on agree in the top right. Now on this screen, you have to add your payment method. If you have your payment method, it might be your credit or debit card, your PayPal account, your mobile phone, or it might be anything else based on your location. So you can add it here. Or if you don't have any payment methods, you can select this none option here. Then add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option in the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changed in your Apple ID or in your App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.